Hey, Susan. I'm trying to decide on a scaling strategy for our Azure SQL databases. This table here outlines different scenarios and solutions, but I wanted to get your thoughts on it.
Sure, let's go through it. It looks like it's breaking down the scaling requirements and matching them with the best solution.
The first scenario is about managing and scaling multiple Azure SQL databases with varying resource requirements. They suggest using SQL Elastic pools for that. What do you think?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. We have multiple databases with unpredictable workloads. The idea of elastic pools, where we can share resources between databases, seems like a cost-effective solution. Each database can scale when needed without over-provisioning.
Exactly. SQL Elastic pools help with that flexibility.
The second scenario talks about developing a new application with a single database, where you're unsure of future usage. For that, it recommends using an Azure SQL database or a SQL-managed instance. Have you considered those?
I have, but I'm leaning towards SQL Managed Instance since it offers full SQL Server compatibility. We may need that for some of the features we plan to use in the future.
That makes sense, especially if you're planning to scale the database as more users come on board. Lastly, the table mentions optimizing price performance for a group of databases under a budget. Again, SQL Elastic pools seem to be the way to go there.
I agree. The elasticity is key for our cost management. We don't want to pay for unused resources. Looks like we'll be utilizing elastic pools for most of our needs and the SQL managed instance for that new application.
Definitely. Just remember, as the note at the bottom says, it's essential to consider the cost along with the scaling strategy to find the best solution for our budget and needs.
Got it. This table is really useful for getting a quick overview. Thanks for going over it with me, Susan.
No problem. Happy to help anytime.